Why not add another language like Portuguese? And then you are on the right place. If you stop there, wait. You want to speak Portuguese? Quer falar tudo bem? O que que se passa? O que que aconteceu? Você tá no lugar certo. You are in the right place, right spot right now. Stop right there, subscribe, leave your like, and let's do it. Today we're here to talk about the words that we use every day in Portuguese. Words that make sense for us in Portuguese, like that you're gonna find it everywhere where you go, like every day. You watch this video, when you go out of this video, you'll be able to travel to any country where they speak the Portuguese language, and then you'll be able to communicate, you'll be able to at least do your basics, understand, without suffering anymore. Not suffer anymore. I want to go to that country, but I can't because of language. No more excuses, because now you have me. Now I am here for you. So let's do it. Let's go to this video and learn everyday words in Portuguese. And our number one word, the first word we have is olá, tudo bem? Hi, how are you? Olá, tudo bem? Is you are going out there and you find somebody, or you go to a shop, you want to buy something, for example, you're in a country where they speak Portuguese, and I think that's one of the first words that pop up in your face. Hey, how are you? This is hey, how are you? Is the famous word we use. Olá, tudo bem? Like, olá, tudo bem? Tudo bem, tudo bem, tudo bem. You are asking the person, is everything good with you? This should be simple for you, because the pronunciation will depend on which area you are. And in Portugal, you're gonna pronounce it in this way. Olá, tudo bem? In Angolan Portuguese, you're gonna say, olá, tudo bem? In Brazilian, you're gonna say, olá, tudo bem? You remember our previous video, we were talking about the different sounds of the language in different Portuguese countries. Say the Portuguese, the way they speak in Brazil, the way they speak in Angola, the way they speak in Portugal. Okay, if you watch that video, you're gonna understand this one perfectly. So our next word will be por favor. Por favor is please. I think this is for everyday language in English, because there's no way you need something from me and then you just want to take it like that without saying please. Por favor, por favor, por favor. In Portuguese from Portugal, you say por favor, por favor. In Portuguese from Brazil, you say por favor, por favor. In Portuguese from Angola, you say por favor. Do you understand how simple it is? And I'm here to make it simple for you. Portuguese is not difficult at all. It's simple. Coming from me is simple, because I make you understand the way that you can feel comfortable to speak. If you have to recall and present myself to somebody, olá, tudo bem? Olá, tudo bem? How are you? Hey, how are you? Olá, tudo bem? The next one is por favor. Please, por favor. Por favor. The next word we have is ciao. Ciao is a famous word because too much people around the world already knows what ciao means. Like, ciao is bye, ciao. The next one is sim, noun. I see so many of you guys do the mistake of saying now. It's not now, it's noun, because in Portuguese we have accents on top of the letters that those accents define how you're gonna read it, how it's gonna sound. Sim, não. Sim, não is yes, no. Sim, não. If I ask you, do you want water? Sim. Do you want water? Não. Do you want to go drink beer tonight? Sim. Do you want to go chill? Não. Do you understand? Okay. I hope you're there writing down there, because those are our everyday words. Every day. The next one is desculpa, amor, água. Desculpa. I am sorry. Desculpa. I am sorry. You see? Desculpa. Desculpa. You see? If I'm in Brazil, I'm gonna say desculpa. If I'm in Portugal, I'm gonna say desculpa. If I'm in Angola, I'll say desculpa. So, knowing that, you can already go to Portugal, Brazil, and Angola. No more excuse to say that I can't speak the language, so I can't travel to those places. Because they speak exactly the same language, they use the same words, it's just how it sounds. Você pode falar, olá, tudo bem, por favor, obrigada, tchau, sim, não, desculpa, amor, água. No more excuses. Você sabe falar português. I want you to write down this and repeat to yourself 3 times. Você sabe falar português. But this time you say to yourself, eu sei falar português. Eu vou falar português. Eu sei falar português. Eu vou falar português. I hope you enjoyed this video. Today, like I said, we were just here to talk about everyday words used in Portuguese. Like these are the words. Let not anyone lie to you, because those are the words that like every day you wanna find it. We didn't mention the bon dia part. I tried to catch to you the most important ones, like that you're gonna be using. But it's por favor, please do me a favor. Olá, tudo bem? The greeting part, the yes, no part, sim, não, the bye-bye, ciao, the water. Because bro, like imagine if you go to a country where they speak Portuguese and you don't know how to say water, like you want water, you just agua. And people, oh, you want agua? Yes. Sim. You want agua? Sim. You want agua? Now. You want what? Juice. Juice is sumo. This was a tip. I was not supposed to say that in this video. Juice in Portuguese is sumo. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like it. I really appreciate your presence here. And then all I ask from you is that you to subscribe on my channel, like and comment is all I ask for you. I'm here giving you the knowledge for free without charging you for anything. And the only way of you appreciating for that is subscribe, leaving your like and comment. Please let it be. Bye bye. Viva tua vida porque ninguém pode curtir por ti.